Hey everybody, this is Shane from Ztech again. We have this brand new 2020 Volvo XC90 in the shop today, and it is getting the works. And I'm going to give you a nice little rundown of everything that it got. As you guys know, we are an authorized 3M dealer. We're actually a pro shop, so we actually got some new film that just came out by 3M. This is the ceramic infrared line, and it's kind of like what we call the baby brother to 3M crystalline. This is actually a ceramic film instead of a nanocarbon, but it's really cool. Has some great shades just like crystalline. 70% on the windshield got done, full windshield. On the front two doors, we got 25 to match the back. It's a perfect match. This customer's gonna love it. As always with our paint protection film, we got the 3M Scotchgard Pro Series here on the front. You got the partial front end. We use computer cut plotters, and it has a 10-year warranty on it, so it is definitely gonna last. Blends in perfect with the paint, can't even tell it's on there. So we got the partial hood, partial fender tips, full front bumper, both mirrors and all the door edges. He even opted to throw on some headlights and fog lights. We got those on there looking real nice. It's gonna protect the front end from rock chips, dings, and all that type of stuff. All right, so the last and final thing that we did on this car to preserve and candy coat the entire thing is Ceramic Pro Bronze Package, and it has a bunch of cool products that we use from Ceramic Pro. Top coat on all the painted surfaces. We did rain on all the glass surfaces, wheel and caliper on the wheel faces, and then PPF base coat and top coat all on the PPF surfaces. So this whole car is coated and preserved. It comes with a 2-year warranty, but honestly with proper maintenance this is going to last even longer. Super shiny, super hydrophobic. The customer is going to freak out when he sees it. It looks great. That wraps up everything on this brand new 2020 Volvo XC90. The customer's gonna be here soon, so it's time to pull it out front. Thank you guys for watching, and always remember to be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. We're gonna put them out as much as we can, so stay tuned.